Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. I'm sorry for the lack of videos, but I'm afraid I've had a really bad cold. I started with it on Boxing Day evening, and as you can probably tell from my voice, I've still got it. And I know probably a lot of you will have had it as well, so I hope you're feeling better. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's only a cold. So today I've got a quick little clean. I'm doing my bathroom and then just freshening up my kitchen as well. I've really been enjoying using the Stardrops Pine Disinfectant Cleaner. I have some in my bathroom and some in my kitchen as well. I just use that on the toilet, and then I just use the Flash Febreze bathroom cleaner on my sink and the bath as well. In the kitchen, I'm using the Sainsbury's cream cleaner. And then I'm just filling the middle part of my sink up with Sephora Winter Spice. I don't know, I've got a thing about putting it back in the packet. Why I always keep it in the packet, I don't know. We all have our little things and that's one of mine. So this is not a deep clean, this is just a quick clean, so I'm just doing my window bottom and the surfaces. Next I'm back on with the pine disinfectant spray. I really love the smell of this pine spray. And next I'm just vacuuming the floor. I hope you enjoy this video. If you would consider subscribing to my channel, that would be lovely. I do lots of different types of videos, lifestyle videos, cooking, things like that as well. I do have a steam mop, but today I'm just using the Violida spray mop. I'm just putting some boiled water in and some Sephora Winter Spice. And there I go again, putting it back in the packet. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you again in another video. Thank you then. Bye.